What's good, everybody? Is your boy David again, and I'm back with another video today. If you guys are new to my channel, please do subscribe to my YouTube channel, like the video, and comment down below. So here we have ASAP Champions noong November 19, last Sunday. So this is Sherin Reyes' birthday tribute. So this is the latest one sa ASAP Champions. And nakita ko yung clip ng isang grupo doon or dito sa ASAP Champions sa TV, no, doon sa may restaurant, pero hindi ko narinig, nakita ko lang, no. And na-excite ako kasi andun si Miss Katrina, andun si Laika Estrella, and Jonalyn Veray, and I was really excited. Yun nga, na-busy lang. So, it's better late than never though. So, please follow me on my Facebook and on Instagram so you can see that on screen. So, with no further ado, let's jump right into the video. Okay? Let's go, baby.
You believe that we find love together happily. After all the wrong I've done, you feel that I'm still the one to give your love into. So bring it home to you.
Linis.
There's a place in your heart to love me again. Happiness and joy you bring.
Nice.
Come on and out of the rain. Some people spend a lifetime looking for love, and I had love right.
Solid nun. Key change to. Walang kupas. Galing nung vocal splits. Zencha. Yes, sing. I love that last. Gusto ko yung last part. Yung parang binali niya ng konti, no? Anyway, ito na ako. Magka-batch ba to sila, no? Kasi these are all, okay, all of them, the three of them are veterans already, no? Sa industriya or sa larangan ng singing. And I'm just curious kung, hindi ko kasi ma-remember if magka-batch sila, no? Or at least man lang magkalapit yung years na paglabas nila sa show business, sa pagkanta. Man, it was a powerful. Yun yung masasabi ko, man. Powerful segment. Yun sa kanilang tatlo. Good job, good job. Who's next? Jed, okay. Si Kimo ata din. Or si JM. Or si Sam. Praktisado talaga to si Jed. Haha. Bagay sa kanya itong genre na to. JM to eh. Ahaha. Woo! Beautiful. Galing ng transition. Kimo nga. Hahaha. Binelte. Hindi falsetto. Galing. Woo! Galing. Woo! Galing. Nice. Woo! Gusto ko yung slide na ginawa ni JM. Kimo is actually impressive today, no? Much mas I think so far, no, sa mga previous compared to his previous performance. I think this one really stands out for him. And Jed Madela, halatang praktisado, halatang talagang alaga yung boses, man. Talaga. And by the way, Kimo and JM, makita talaga natin, no, that they're heavily influenced by Gary Valenciano. Correct me if I'm wrong, but I can really see influences sa kalang dalawa, no? Coming from Mr. Gary V. Ella. Galing nun. Parang si Lara yung nakita ko sa gilid, Sheena. Ay, hindi na Sheena. Fan na pala to. Lara nga. Grabe, yung ganda ng buhok ni Lara. Parang sunsilk. Gusto ko yung mga nila, trip na makanta nila. Galing. Iba talaga yung ano. Ooh, linis. I love the harmonization. Nice. 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 Gusto ko yung part sa middle part before the key change na or change key na parang may konting short lick or short run doon si Fana, and then nag-falsetto ng very theatrical yung atake ni Lara, and then nag-key change, pumasok si Ella because I think na binigyan nila ng emphasis yung strengths ng individual singers doon sa part na yun, and also the last part na may mga konting pakiliti doon. So I think that's a very good those are good parts, no? Ano to? Si Jonah siguro to, Katrina and Jonalyn. Ewan ko lang kung tama ba yung nakita ko dun sa TV. Parang Jezebel to, no? Sa Jezebel ba to? Nakita ko na silang tatlo. I'm happy. Galing. Linis.
Kailan kaya puso ay iibig? Kailan kaya matitikman ang isang halik? Kailan kaya marama ang isang paglalambing? Nais malaman, nais maramdaman. Kailan kaya?
Ooh, very explosive. Woo, that legato. Woo, galing. Para sila mga sirena. Sarap sa ears. Woo! Love na love ko talaga to si Mami Kat eh. Haha. Kinabahan ako dun ah. Na-stretch pa. Nice one. This one's by far one of the best production ng ASAP Champions, ha? Nice. Nice. Very nice. Wait lang. Maghanap tayo ng mukha ni Miss Sherina kasi birthday niya to eh. Anyway, okay. Gusto ko sabihin, sa last group, no, Miss Kat, Mami Kat, I really love her. Idol ko talaga si Mami Kat. Anyway, I noticed na marami naman siyang na-impersonate, no? Maraming influences sa boses niya. Mariah Carey, Regine Velasquez, no? Marami siyang kayang gawin. Shakira, ganun. Celine Dion. Pero Mami Kat really has that very unique tone. Alam mo, pag siya yung kumanta, no, kahit maraming influences sa boses niya, but she has that unique, distinct tone, quality, and yung character ng boses. Alam mo siya no? Alam mo siya. And Miss Jonalyn, super linis. And also, my another idol, Laika Estrella. No, grabe. Gagaling. Wala akong mapili na grupo because they all did so good sa kanilang assigned song, and na-showcase nila yung trio na concept sa pagdating sa harmony, no, harmonization, and pagdating sa individual parts and individual na mga strengths, they were also able to showcase it. And again, special mention kay Kimo because he's impressive today, no? He's really impressive today. No, I hope that Kimo can maintain that yung stableness ng kanyang boses, kasi minsan, no, mataas yung range ni Kimo, pero minsan nga talaga when he hit that high note, no, pag nagbe-belt siya, talagang alam naman natin, medyo ipit talaga. And I was also talking this one. I was also talking to one of my singer friends, no, na who also happens to know Kimo, and nanonood din siya sa ASAP Champions, no. And I opened up kasi nga she knew that I'm doing YouTube, nag-read ako sa mga singers and all. And I opened up about Kimo, and same kami nang napansin, no. I think hindi lang ako yung nag-iisa na nakapansin, but and she also was able to notice it, na yun nga, yung pagbe-belt ni Kimo minsan sobrang ipit, no, na talagang hindi na siya good to listen to, no. Abot niya pero medyo ipit na talaga, no, unlike kay JM na may finesse na talaga. And I hope that Kimo will work on that, no, kasi maganda yung tone quality ni Kimo, and I just want him to explore more on techniques, no, when it comes to singing high notes. Ako hindi ko kaya yun, hindi ko kaya yun, to be honest, yung range ni Kimo. But as a singer and a performer myself, no, so yun yung napansin ko sa kanya, and I hope he does something with that. And if na improve niya yan, man, if na master niya how to do it in a more yung parang yung atake is still strong, pero siguro I would say much appropriate way, no, ganun siguro, no. So anyway, that's it. Shout out sa kanilang lahat, and belated happy birthday kay Miss Sherin Reyes. So that's it. Hope you guys enjoy that one. Peace out, everybody. Much love. Stay safe and God bless you all. Peace.